Hi friends, Vanakkam. I am Dr. Velu Narayanan. Now I am going to discuss with you about my innovation. So first now I will explain you about a natural soap making. The natural soap is nothing but it is made from a combination of caustic soda and coconut oil. So this is being preserved for a minimum 48 days so that the toxic effects of that caustic soda is being lost. Then it comes for marketing. So now in this case what I am using is I am using Harita Manjari. Harita Manjari means Acalypha indica. In Tamil we call it as Kuppai Meni. It has a very high natural source of sulfur. So I mix that Harita Manjari extract in coconut oil and then with caustic soda we make the soap. So we preserve it for 48 days and it is for use. We have named it as Boga Harita Manjari soaps or Boga handmade soaps. So the prime purpose of this innovative soap is mainly to clear the skin problems. So if you go to your doctor, what he will give you? See, basically I am a doctor. I am a homeopathic physician. So Acalypha indica is a main medicine what we use. We use it as a potency or mother tincture, but now I am using it in the format of soap. This is a very widely used Indian herb, Acalypha indica or Harita Manjari. So it has a very high source of sulfur. So if you go to your doctor for any skin ailment, he will give a combination of sulfur ointment. But now in this innovation, we are giving you natural sulfur in the form of a soap. So this does three purposes. One is it acts as a natural ointment. So it acts as a cosmetic soap, and also it acts as a nourishment soap. Nourishment soap because we are using coconut oil. Now I have to say you about coconut oil. This coconut oil is the only oil which will not block your skin pores. So any other oil, let it be olive oil or anything else which is highly costly, only one oil will not block the skin pores, that is coconut oil. So why it is very important? Because the skin pores has not to be blocked, because the internal wastages has to come out, and it is also a way to absorb the natural sulfur through the soap. So this again serves two purposes: to remove the wastes and to absorb the natural sulfur. So we have made our innovation after doing many trials for near about 10 years. Now I am giving it to my country, these Harita Manjari soaps. We are giving it to the all natural soaps depots who are interested in natural soaps, handmade soaps. We are giving them. You can get my contact number or email, and you can get the soap for wholesale price also. Thank you.